Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you a popular 3D printer kit which is Creality Ender 3. It is a semi-assembled kit to make an 3D printer. Using this 3D printer you can print 3-dimensional object with more accuracy. So let's get started. If you want to buy your first 3D printer in a low budget, then I will highly recommend this printer, but it is not my first 3D printer. I made a 3D printer in the last year at a very low budget. You can check those videos from link in the video description. So it is an upgraded version of Creality Ender 3. I am going to unbox all parts and then show you in details. The packing is really great. This printer's firmware is Merlin, which is an open source 3D printer firmware and very user friendly. This printer works with G code. You can print .stl, .obj after slice in G code. It is Y-axis assembly and it is pre-assembled. The print head unit also pre-assembled. It is 0.4 mm nozzle. It has big bed leveling wheel, which is very good. This printer has magnetic build plate, so no need to use glass here or glue for sticking. It is the extruder and X-axis motor. It is metal, not plastic. It is the filament holder. Here are some extra packet. Let's see what is inside it. Some tools, cutter, nozzle cleaning needles, wow, one extra nozzle, 8 GB SD card and card reader. Here is some filament. It is 24-volt DC power supply. You have to select 115 volt or 230 volt AC as per your country, and it is very important. It is a tool for remove printed object from hotbed. It is a detailed guide for assembling. Another video assembling guide is in the SD card which comes with it. So I am not making an assembling guide video. Inside the SD card has slicer software for it and some STL models and some ready to print G-code files. Now assembling is complete. I spent about 3 to 4 hours for it. The user manual is very good and I did not use any extra tool for assembling. All essential tools comes with it. Now I am going to try my first print from SD card. But before that I have to label the bed. I am using PLA filament. This box STL file was inside the SD card. Print perfection is really good, but I feel it may need some upgradation. Its maximum print size is x-axis 220 mm, y-axis 220 mm, and z or height is 250 mm. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up and see you again in the next video.